Consumers should probably be okay. I think the real question, as it has been all year, is business confidence, and in particular, how does that translate into investment spending? Investment spending's been slower, and I suspect this is only going to make it slower yet. So, can the consumer continue to hold up the economy as we go through this negotiation process?
Right, Paul. What do you think that means for investing? I mean, should people stick with specific industries and parts of the economy they think are going to be fine, or what's your advice here?
Well, still, the labor market is a good reminder this morning that that's still pretty solid, and wages are growing faster than inflation. That should help consumers continue to hold the water, carry the water, I should say, for this economy. But yeah, we are concerned that investment spending is slow and could get slower from here. And if we did see 25% tariffs, we do think those would be material, especially on consumer goods. That could start to dent some of that consumer confidence. So it's still a solid case for the U.S. economy and positive earnings, but there are risks out there.
Paul, I mean, it's, when you're choosing these investments, it's not in a vacuum. And when you look at what's happening in fixed income right now, I mean, certainly it looks crazy. I mean, the German 30-year bond yield went negative overnight. The 10-year German bond yield was at minus 0.5%. The U.S. 10-year is down at 1.85%. What would you be saying to clients who look at this and think, I am not comfortable with that exposure at these levels?
Yeah, it's a really tough call. It's difficult to keep buying bonds when they're that expensive here at home, and of course you're paying to buy fixed income overseas. We don't want to do that either. We got out of that asset class some time ago. But you have to believe that the Fed is still concerned about inflation. If inflation can stabilize, maybe the bond market will start to back up in yields a little bit. There could be a buying opportunity there. But for right now, we're telling our clients, stay neutral on duration. In other words, stay close to your long-term target allocation.